Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam for your computer. You might want to use your phone as a webcam for your computer, probably because the webcam on your computer is no longer working or it has a very low picture quality. So if you have a phone that has a higher picture quality than your system's webcam, you might want to use your phone as a webcam in order to get good picture quality. So to do that, we are going to need to download an app on both your computer and also your phone. So you are going to head over to your browser and then you are going to search for Irion.com. So when the site is open, this is what you are going to see. This is the Irion webcam download site. So right here, as you can see, you have three different buttons. You can download the Irion app for Windows, you can download for MacBook, you can also download for Ubuntu. So whichever system you are using, you are going to download for that. So in my case, I'm going to be downloading for Windows because I'm using Windows. So I'm going to click on this first button right here. So after the download is done, you can go ahead and click on it to open and then go through the installation process. So that's how to download the app on your system. So now let's head over to our phone to see how we can download it on your phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, you can download this app on it. So all you need to do, if you're using an iPhone, you head over to your app store. But if you're using an Android phone, you head over to your Play Store. I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to head over to my Play Store. And on the search feed, I'm going to search for Irion. So when the search is done, you are going to see the Irion 4K webcam for PC. So if you haven't installed the app on your phone, you can go ahead and hit on the install button. But if you have, you can go ahead and hit on the open button to launch the app. So after downloading the app, you can go ahead and launch the app on both devices. So as you can see, I've launched the app on my phone. So you can also do that on your PC. So before we go further, guys, please do well to support my channel by subscribing and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So after launching both apps on both devices, so you are going to hit on the connect button down here on your phone. But before you do that, make sure that your phone and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. But if you don't have a Wi-Fi, make sure that your computer is connected to the hotspot of the phone you are using. So after making sure of this connection, you can go ahead and hit on the continue button on your phone. So there you have it, guys. As you can see right now, I'm using my phone as a webcam for my PC. You can toggle between the front camera and the back camera using your phone by hitting on this little camera button right here. So wherever I point my full camera to will appear on my PC, as long as both devices are in the Wi-Fi range. So at the left hand side of your screen right here, you can set different resolution size. So you have different sizes you can choose from here. So whichever works best for you, you can go with that. So that's it, guys. That's how to use your phone camera or your phone as a webcam for your system. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to support my channel by hitting on that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.